Hi guys, this is Peaches Bocalan, Director of Admissions here at Raritan Valley Community College. Planning out your schedule can feel pretty overwhelming, but the key is making sure you secure your seat by making your payment. Without your payment, you could end up losing the perfect schedule. So today, let's walk you through how to make your payment to start the semester off smoothly. We've made paying free classes easy and super convenient. You can choose to pay online, set up a payment plan, or you can stop by the Enrollment Center where our team will be ready to welcome you and help you at the student accounts window. Let's talk about making your payment online. To get started, log into the student portal Lion's Den, and if you're having trouble logging in, be sure to reach out to our help desk. Once you're in, look for the Student Accounts and Financial Aid tile. You can also type Student Accounts in the search bar on the homepage. There, you'll want to click on the Account Detail by Term tile. Select a term to view your balance and any financial aid award information. Then make your payment by selecting the Pay Now button. If you need to set up a payment plan, check out the next video and we'll walk you through the process.